37th नॅशनल गेम सद्या गोंयांत चालू आसा आनी गोंयांत सद्या मेडल टॅलीची 50 क्रॉस केल्ली आसा. गोंयांत ऑलमोस्ट हाफ सेंचुरी मारलेली आसा मेडल्साची आनी हो सद्या गोंयाचो बेस्ट परफॉर्मन्स जावन आसा नॅशनल गेम्साचो. आमी सद्या येयल्ले आसा फोंड्या एरियेन आनी थंय आमकां मेळटले एक अशे प्लेयराक जेणी 2017 एका मनशाक प्रॉमीस केल्लें की तो गोंया खातीर गोल्ड मेडल हाडटलो म्हणून आनी तें प्रॉमीस तेणी फुलफील केल्लें आसा. चड तेकडे जाणून घेवया की प्रॉमीस कितें आशिल्ली आनी तेजो करियर कसो कितें आशिल्लो तो. हो प्लेयर जावन आसा गोंयचो टायकांडो प्लेयर जेणी गोंया खातीर गोल्ड मेडल हाडलें आसा, पी आनंद सर.
I have faced several challenges on my journey, but each struggle has only strengthened me to make me the person I am today. Someone who sets his eyes on a goal and does not lose its sight unless it is achieved. My father, Mr. R. Pandirajan, who is an ex-army man and has served the nation by being a soldier, and he has taught me that we can also serve the country and raise the nation's flag high by being a top sportsman too. It was a proud moment for me when I represented India at the 2010 Asian Games in China and 2014 Asian Games in Korea, and I was also the lone gold medal winner for the Goa in 35th National Games, which was held in Kerala. So today I accept this award with a promise to also win a gold medal for Goa at the 36th National Games to be hosted in Goa, and to continue winning medals for Goa and India in Taekwondo and make India proud at the Olympics. So ladies and gentlemen, at last I would like to finish by saying that I am proud of being a Goenka and proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, thank you.
आमच्या वांगडा आसा पी आनंद सर, जेंच्यांनी गोंया खातीर टायकांडून गोल्ड घेतलेलो आसा. हे तेंचे फर्स्ट गोल्ड न्ही गोंया खातीर, हे तेंचे गोंया खातीर थर्ड गोल्ड. आनी अशें आयकपाक येता की ते एकूच अशे मनीस आसा जेंच्यांनी 3 डिफरंट ओकेजनाचेर म्हणल्यार 3 डिफरंट नॅशनल गेम्साचेर गोंया खातीर गोल्ड हाडले आसा. सो वेलकम सर. सर, सो तुमी 11 गोल्ड घेतलेलें, मागीर 15 आनी हे आतां 23 गोल्ड घेतला. सो ते जर्नी कशी आशिल्ली म्हणल्यार तिनूय गोल्डाची?
जर्नी खूब डिफिकल्ट आशिल्लें. ही गोल्ड ह्या फाटी गोल्ड म्हाका खूब स्पेशल आहा बिकॉज दीस इज द 2023 आफ्टर 2015 very long time I did not play the game. I was out of competitive sports, and in 2017 when I won the award, so I thought the national games will be held soon after the next year, so I had promised Goa gold at the upcoming national games. So this was a big challenge for me because this was in my home ground. This is my home ground where I have trained taekwondo since 1997. So this gold is very 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 special for me.
स्केटी खातीर 3 गोल्ड जिखप हे कसो फील तुमकां? म्हणजे 3 गोल्ड जिखप दॅट टू इन लायक 10 वर्सां जातलीं आतां, 10-12 वर्सां जातलीं. सो तो कसो फील जाता?
3 golds. So first gold I won in 2011 and this third gold 2023. So it's almost 12 वर्ष झाले, and it's almost like winning gold in 3 different Olympics. Olympics comes once in every 4 years. So it gives a very special and proud feeling, and that too winning the third gold in front of my home crowd in Ponda and in front of my coaches, where we have trained and we have struggled very hard for a long time.
आमी अशें आयकल्लें की तुमी मदीं कोचिंग दिताले आनी मागीर कोचिंग दितना तुमकां परत कम्पीट करून दिसतालें काय कितें अशें जालें की तुमी कम्पीट करपाक परत येयले?
प्रेजेंटली स्टील हांव कोचिंग दिता. हांव गुजरातान आहा as a contractual coach under Sports Authority of Gujarat, and since I have made a promise in 2017 when I got the Dilip Sardesai Sports Excellence Award, so I had to win a gold this time, and I think because I'm struggling very hard to get a job, a government job in the state of Goa. I really want to work in Goa, so I had to prove, and I knew that without getting gold my voice won't be heard. So I had to win a gold this time in Goa National Games, and because it's home state and home ground, all my life I have played. This gold was the most precious and important to me. That's why.
तुम्ही परत म्हणलें की प्रॉमीस केल्लें. सो कोणाक प्रॉमीस केल्ली आनी ती स्टोरी कितें एक्चुअली प्रॉमिसा फाटल्यान?
Okay, this promise I did to late Shri Manohar Parrikar sir. When I got the award, really he's a role model, and I have been looking up to him since I was a child, and he's very famous all over India. Wherever we go for national camp, Parrikar sir is very famous, even as a politician and even as a human being and as a person. So during that award function I had promised that with this award I will be giving a gold to Goa at the national games that Goa will be hosting. So there he had also said that the Goa should take care of its athletes. So that was a big motivation for me. So with the hope that with this gold medal there will be some security for players like me, and there are many more players like me, even my brother who has won a silver medal in this national games and also in 2015 Kerala national games. So this promise I made to Manoj Parrikar sir, so I feel very happy and proud that I have fulfilled it after a big struggle.
सध्या ते हे जगान ना, सो हे मेडल तांकां डेडिकेट करता तुमी?
Yes, obviously this medal is obviously dedicated to late Sri Manoj Parrikar sir.
तुमी म्हणलें की तुमी कोचिंग करताले एज वेल एज तुमी ट्रेनिंग करताले, सो तो बॅलन्स करपाक कितले डिफिकल्ट आसता? मिन्स कोचिंग प्लस तुमचो पर्सनल ट्रेनिंग, ते कशें कितले डिफिकल्ट आसता आनी कशें तुमी मॅनेज केलें?
Yes, it has been a very big hurdle and obstacle, you can say, because I joined coaching in 2018, and my last nationals I played was in 2018 in Orissa, where I won a gold. Then after that I am almost out of training and out of competitive sports, and even taekwondo as a sport, it has evolved and a lot of rules have changed in this last 5 to 6 years. So this is like a comeback for me, you can say, because I did not play taekwondo in those 5 years, and I was really out of training and out of my fitness shape, because before 2 months in Assam we had a national championship where I lost my semi-finals and I had won a bronze medal. So this last 1 month I got permission from my department to do the residential camp in Goa, and I trained for 1 month, and along with all the guidance of coaches, my association, and the support from SCG and the government. So I have done good and I have won a gold medal, and our team also did good finally. So but being a coach and being an athlete, it's a very difficult for me to manage both. When I am into coaching, because I have to take the athletes for competitions, I am not able to follow my routine properly. So after this last 1 month, you can say I have trained properly and given a good result. That's all.
सो तुमी म्हणलें की तुमी प्रॉपर शेपीन नाशिल्ले, सो तुमी टॅक्टीक कशी यूज केले टू फॉर अ मॅच? बिकॉज तुका इवन तायकांडोन तुका फिटनेस प्लस तुका खूब टायम ट्रेनिंग खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आसता, सो तुमी नाशिल्ले, बट इट एक्सपिरियन्स हेल्प यू?
Yes, exactly. Because when I lost in Assam, then I immediately from the next day when I went to my job, I started my workout. First I focused on my fitness and I reduced my weight, and then when I came to Goa, we, along with the guidance of my coaches, along with the hard work, we also did smart work, because since I have experience of lot of years, so you can say today if I won, it's because of my experience and the smartness that I showed, that helped me a lot in winning this gold.
तुमी गोंया खातीर 3 गोल्ड घेतले, जे 11 नाशिल्लें, 15 नाशिल्लें, आतां 23. सो खंयची टफेस्ट चॅलेंज आशिल्ली तुमकां? डिफिकल्ट खंयचें आशिल्लें?
So difficult 2023 gold, because as I said, I was out of training and out of the game format. This was a big challenge because format has changed totally, and also because I am playing in front of my home crowd and all my junior athletes from Ponda who were looking at my match. So I feel they really got motivated, and obviously it will help them to achieve more. Even I wish they achieve more than me in the future. So it was tough, but I say finally mission accomplished.
गोंयान एफर्ट ऑलमोस्ट 50 मेडल क्रॉस केली, सो तुमकां दिसता की एथलीट्स आसा तेंच्यांनी गोंया खातीर डिलिव्हर केल्ली आसा, सो गोवा गव्हर्मेंटानूय एथलीट्साक डिलिव्हर करचें म्हणून कितें तरी बरे भशेन?
Goa government has been supporting really well for all the athletes. Even we can see the organization, this standard was almost equal to the international level, and it has really doing great in providing us the equipments, facilities, everything. But just my request or prayer to government that it should also look after the security of the athletes, because once after they play, like me, I am already 32 years old, 32, 33 years old now. So we have given our life for sports. So like from other states, it can adopt policies of job security. So that's all I wish from the government. Rest all the government has done a fantastic job.
एक होम क्राउडार खेळप कितले बरें दिसता खेळप, होम जेन्ना होमाक गेम आसता तेन्ना?
Really, you can say 70% was my effort, and the rest 30% was the crowd support that I got here in Ponda that made me win the gold medal. If you see the videos also, you can see the crowd cheering up. It was like a really very good feeling that pushed me and didn't let me back up of the fight. So finally, that was the biggest motivation for me in winning the gold medal.
तुमी म्हणलें की तुमी आतां कोचिंग करता, सो इन 2011 तुमी जस्ट प्लेयर आशिल्ले, सो कोचिंग करतना जेन्ना तुमी कम्पीट करता तेन्ना चड प्रेशर आसता बिकॉज तुका आतां तुजे भुरगे पळयतले की बाबा आमचो कोच खेळटा तेन्ना एक चड प्रेशर आसता आपल्याचेर.
You can say it's not pressure, it's like a motivation for me because it makes me perform more well in front of my athletes. But in 2011 and 2015 when I played, I was fully into training and I was a totally athlete. So there it was very easy for me to win a gold in Kerala National Games and Jharkhand National Games. But here it was, you can say, like I won very with very minimal point gaps. But in 2015 and 2011 when I was totally into focused into training, I had won with a very comfortable lead and it was very easy winning there. But here it was little difficult for me, like you can say the competition was tough for me. But since I have done a comeback now, so I will try to maintain this shape and to get do better in the future upcoming nationals and national games and give Goa one more gold if possible.
सो वी कॅन से दॅट तुमी आनी एक नॅशनल गेम्सा खातीर कॉम्पीट करूं शकता आसतले फुडें रेडी गोंया खातीर.
Yes, as I said, if I get I have already got a good support from government. If I get a job security, like it makes my mind free. Not only me, like many athletes are there like me, so we can totally focus on training and we can deliver more better results in future.
आतां लास्ट क्वेश्चन आसतलो तो म्हणल्यार की गोंया खातीर तुमी कम्पीट केले पळय न्ही ह्या फावट, सो कितले टफ आसता जेन्ना तुका अशी फिटनेसान नासतना प्रॅक्टीस कम्पीट करपा खातीर. आनी आय वील से की दॅट आतां तुमी जिखले ते एक मोर एक्सपिरियन्स कायंड ऑफ म्हणून जिखले आनी पयलीं तुमी म्हणलें की तुमी पयलीं डॉमिनेट खूब आशिल्ले गेमीन, आतां तुमी लेस मार्जिनान जिखले, सो आतां तुमी टॅक्टीक यूज करून भरपूर जिखले.
Yes, I totally. Taekwondo is not only about fitness; it's also about your the smartness that you show on the mat. So finally, I used my experiences that I have of so many years. I have started playing Taekwondo since 1997, so you can say almost 25 years of experience that I gathered. So I was not in. Still, I'm not in my full form of fitness, but mentally I'm very strong, I feel, and that's what has helped me achieve this goal.
हे आशिल्ले पी आनंद सर आमच्या वांगडा. तेंच्यांनी म्हणलें की गोंया खातीर ते आनी एक गोल्ड हाडपाक तयारी करता म्हणून फक्त तेंकां गव्हर्मेंट सपोर्ट करचो. जे गव्हर्मेंटान प्रॉमीस केल्लें आसा की जे कोण गोल्ड हाडटले तेंकां गव्हर्मेंट जॉब आसतलो, तो कितें म्हणटा की फक्त तेका एक जॉबाची सेक्युरिटी आसची आनी तो एक आनी एक नॅशनल गेम्सा खातीर गोंया खातीर कम्पीट करून गोंया खातीर गोल्ड हाडपाक ट्राय करतलो. आमचे वांगडा आसा पी सर्वानंद, जे पी आनंद आसा तेंचेच भाव आसा आनी तेंच्यांनी बीन गोंया खातीर सिल्वर मेडल घातलें आसा. सो तेंच्यांनी जाणून घेवया की बाबा तेंची तयारी कशी आशिल्ली, तुमची तयारी कशी आशिल्ली तायक्वांडो खातीर.
For this, especially national games, we have trained very hard for last 3 months. So all my effort was, I could see my efforts, all what I did in the training. I couldn't win gold, but I'm very happy that I gave my 100% to the last final match, and I'm very grateful for all the one who supported me throughout.
हाव टफ कितले टफ आसता टायकांडोन तुका प्रिपेरनेस करपाक, प्लस मेंटली तुका स्ट्रॉंग जाय आसता, प्लस फिजिकली, सो ते कशी तयारी करता तूं?
Yeah, for taekwondo, like in combat sport, in martial arts, you have to be strong physically as well as mentally. So I have been training this taekwondo since 2000, so it's been almost 23 years. So I'm very used to this training, and I'm hoping for that next national games, which is in Uttarakhand. I'm very hoping that I'll get a gold medal for Goa.
तुजे भावान 3 गोंया खातीर गोल्ड हाडले, सो ती कशी फिलींग आसता? आनी अशें आयकपाक येता की तो एकूच प्लेयर आसतलो गोंया खातीर जेणे सद्या तरी 3 डिफरंट नॅशनल गेम्सान गोल्ड हाडले आसा. सो ती कशी फिलींग आसता जेन्ना तुजो भाव गोल्ड हाडटा गोंया खातीर आनी दॅट टू तो कॉम्पिटिशन म्हणल्यार आउट ऑफ फिटनेस तितकोन आशिल्लो, स्टील कम बॅक करून गोल्ड हाडटा ते.
Obviously, he
इज इन्स्पिरेशन फॉर यू?
Yeah, obviously. I was supposed to tell you that he is my greatest inspiration. I feel that he is the greatest Indian taekwondo athlete I have ever seen, and so I always walk in his footsteps. He is my inspiration. I always learn from him. He guides me very well. So for all this achievement, he has a big role in that.
2 सिल्वर, गोल्ड केन्ना?
Gold next year. Surely घेता हूँ next year, 2024 Uttarakhand National Games.
तर हे आशिल्ले आमच्या वांगडा पी सर्वानंद, जे पी आनंदाचे भाव आसा आनी तेणी गोंया खातीर 2 सिल्वर घेतलेले आसा. तो म्हणटा की नेक्स्ट इयर तो गोल्डा खातीर गोंयचोच म्हणून. आमच्या वांगडा आसात कोच सुनील शर्मा, जेंच्यांनी पी आनंद आसा तशेंच जे पी सर्वानंद तांकां कोचिंग दिल्ली आसा. सर पी आनंद जो गोवा के लिए गोल्ड मेडल लाया है उन्हें, और तीसरी बार लाया है, तो कितना कैसे आप उनको कोचिंग देते हैं, कैसा प्लान होता है उनके कोचिंग देने के लिए?
कि ट्रेनिंग में पहले से अभी न्यू गेम आ गया, अभी सेंसर गेम है हमारा। सेंसर गेम के लिए उनको टाइमिंग, पावर, परफेक्ट की बैलेंस चाहिए हम लोग को। इसकी वजह ट्रेनिंग को अलग पहले से हट के करना पड़ेगा। पहले तो सेंसर नहीं था, अभी ये लोग ने सेंसर खेल किया बाहर में, इंटरनेशनल में, दूसरा इंटरनेशनल, पहले भी केरला का टाइम में भी इंटरनेशनल में सेंसर गेम के लिए अलग डिफरेंट सेंसर है, इसलिए हम लोग को अलग सेंसर खेलने का हमको थोड़ा टाइम लगा। इसको मैंने प्रॉमिस तो किया था 2 गोल के लिए, अभी दो गोल ले नहीं पाया भाई। यहाँ से 2 गोल लिया, 1 सिल्वर लिया। उसमें भी ट्रेनिंग करने के लिए इसको इम्पैक्ट पावर के लिए, फिजिकल फिटनेस और इम्पैक्ट किक, परफेक्ट किक बैलेंस, ऐसा कुछ अलग अलग ट्रेनिंग का कुछ करना पड़ा इस लोग को।
ऐसे सुना है कि जब आनंद सर को गोल्ड मिला तो आप साइडलाइन पे थे, तो आप बहुत इमोशनल हुए, आप रोए भी, तो ये क्या कौन सा मोमेंट था, क्या हुआ था?
क्योंकि इसका परमिशन था पहले से गोल्ड मेडल के लिए। हम भी टेंशन में था, इसकी लास्ट डे में हम लोग को टेंशन आया। लास्ट डे में हम लोग का इसका गोल श्योर था, मन तो श्योर था, फिर भी और खुशी से मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा इसके लिए, और खुशी से मैंने इमोशन हो गया थोड़ा ज़्यादा इसकी वजह से।
उन्होंने बोला कि जब वो 15 और 11 में जब कम्पीट किए थे वो बहुत डोमिनेंट थी, इस बार उसने माइंड से गेम किया, एक्सपीरियंस से। टाइकोंडो में एक्सपीरियंस कितना काउंट करता है? बहुत। इससे पहले से खेलने वाला प्लेयर वो ट्रेनिंग गेम है बहुत। अभी 5 साल से ज़्यादा गेम हो गया हमको। इसके बाद इसमें डिफरेंट ट्रेनिंग करना पड़ा इसको। कैसा इसका नॉलेज में था, टैलेंट भी था, सब कुछ था इसके पास, सब किकिंग सब था। फिर में थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन करना पड़ता है इसको, और इसको आपको लाना है, मेडल लाना है, इसलिए हम लोग इसको बोल के इसका अपना तरफ से करना पड़ा इसको। इस बार आपने ये गोल्ड लाया, सिल्वर है, तो अगली नेक्स्ट टारगेट क्या है गोवा के लिए?
उत्तराखंड के लिए अभी तैयारी करना पड़ेगा हम लोग को, बहुत बच्चे लोग को। अभी इस टाइम में तो सेंसर भी आ गया, पहले सेंसर नहीं था हमारे पास, अभी सेंसर भी आ गया। अभी ट्रेनिंग अच्छा हो जाएगा, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अभी हम लोग पहले तो 2 गोल्ड मेडल प्रॉमिस किया था, 1 सिल्वर ज़्यादा हुआ फिर, और इसको हम लोग ज़्यादा मिलने के लिए वो ट्रेनिंग करेंगे। बच्चे अच्छा गोवा का प्लेयर लोग को सिलेक्ट करेंगे अभी, एसोसिएशन और SAG का प्लेयर कोचेस लोग सब मिलके कितना टैलेंटेड प्लेयर गोवा में है सब निकालेंगे। इस टाइम में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला हम लोग को गेम के वजह से, कैसा सेंसर थोड़ा टाइम हो गया था इसमें।
गोवा में टाइकोंडो के लिए कैसे स्कोप है? गोवा के प्लेयर टाइकोंडो में कैसे हैं?
और अच्छा है, इसमें टैलेंटेड बहुत है, गोवा में टैलेंटेड बहुत है। इसमें क्या होता है, हम लोग को क्लास 9, 11, 12 के बाद छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, अच्छा परफॉर्म देने के बाद गोल्ड सिल्वर आने के बाद ये लोग को जॉब के लिए उनको परमिशन होता है। वो टाइम में वो लोग हट के जाते हैं थोड़ा टाइम के बाद, इसकी वजह से ज़्यादा टाइकोंडो छोड़ के चले जाते हैं। बहुत है टाइकोंडो प्लेयर गोवा में, बहुत टैलेंटेड है, बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर भी है। इसमें गोल्ड नेशन से पहले निकल जाता है,
तो
अच्छा प्लेयर बनने के बाद।
तो जो प्लेयर टाइकोंडो में आते हैं पहले उन्होंने छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि उनके पास टैलेंट बहुत है, लेकिन उन्हें छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए।
छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, इसका कोई फैमिली प्रोग्राम नहीं थे, थोड़ा लोग इसका क्या होता है, इसको फ्यूचर देख के चले जाते हैं। टाइकोंडो में अभी तक का जो प्लेयर को हम लोग का बात प्लेयर को जॉब अभी तक मिला नहीं है, इसकी वजह से टाइकोंडो के थोड़ा लोग हट के गए थोड़ा लोग।
तो अगर उन्होंने कंटिन्यूस प्रैक्टिस किया तो वो गोवा के लिए गोल्ड ला सकते हैं,
और कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं। अभी सपोर्ट भी मिल रहा है गवर्नमेंट से, SAG से, डिपार्टमेंट से। अभी परफॉर्मेंस भी थोड़ा बहुत इंटरेस्ट दे रहे हैं हम लोग को, फैसिलिटी भी दे रहे हैं अभी, और इतना भी जो हमको चाहिए अभी दे रहे हैं, इसमें बहुत इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं हम लोग।
तर हे आशिल्ले कोच सुनील शर्मा, ते म्हणटा की गोंयान टॅलंट खूब आसा, पूण चडशे भुरगे जे आसता ते 8वी 9वी 10वी पावले की टायकोंडो सोडटा। समज ते सोडिना जाल्यार तेंचें फ्युचर खूब ब्रायट आसा। स्टुडंटा खातीर चेतन गांवस वांगडा शिरीश कुंकळकार।